Hello guys, here we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how we can manage the Airdry function. So in the first step, set the eco mode and hold two buttons in the same time to open the user mode. The indicators are lighting, so we are in the user mode. Now click on the delay button. As you can see, there we have a 10 notification, so that means the Airdry is activated. If you want to manage this function, click on the delay button. The 00 means the Airdry is deactivated. To save the settings, just go out from the user mode by holding the two buttons for 2 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.